Hello and welcome to Drive Eat Repeat. Hope you're having a nice day. I'm just done with my today's work and it's 3:37 p.m. I have a lot of time to go out and have my evening snacks and get a cup of coffee. I'm gonna go to a beautiful place. It's unexplored. Very few people know about it from within the city. So I'm going to go there and I will show that place to you. Let's make our coffee freshly right there and have it there. But before we go, we need to pack a few things so that we can have some freshly made hot coffee by the lake. Everything's packed and we are out on the road and we are heading towards Sangareddy on the Mumbai highway. I'll leave the location to this place in the description below. It is a peaceful place. You won't find anyone there. You can go along with your friends and hang out there. Maybe make a coffee over there and have it, or just go there and chit chat, sit by the lake. There is a lot of highway traffic today, and on this road you will get wood pressed sugarcane juice. I'll drive slowly so that you can see how they extract the juice of the sugarcane. They use that handle and they go rotating it over and over again, and that crushes the sugarcane and the juice comes out. Also, there are a lot of dabas on this road, and my personal favorite is the King's Daba. It's really good and it's almost crowded, and it's crowded almost all the time. There are also a lot of industries on either sides of the road. This actually falls under the industrial area. So this is the lake. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, the bench is broken. Let's go ahead and find a better place to park the car and make our coffee. The road is super narrow, and these thorns by the road will definitely leave a scratch on your vehicle. Okay. My zest has been doing off-roading since the day I got it. But this car gives me, a great deal of confidence. Okay. I'm doing some serious off-roading. I don't know if you can hear how those branches are scraping my car out. I think I could have walked. That would have been much better. Oh God. The most painful thing is I'll have to go back this way. Okay, looks like there is already someone here, and this is where I'll be parking the car. I'll quickly go ahead and check how much damage has been done to my car just to have a coffee. These are definitely some good scrapes. Those plants did not just brush against the vehicle, they did leave a nice mark here. But again, these can easily be cleared by a nice uh, wax coat or a proper Teflon coat should be able to clear those marks. Let me show you the place. Sun is super bright. Let me show you the place. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna walk a bit inside and show you the lake in detail. It's just beside the National Highway 65, the Mumbai Highway as we popularly call it. And there is also plotting being done on the other side of the lake. Time to brew some coffee and enjoy it sitting by the lakeside. Coffee is all set now. Looks like there are some fishes here. I think next time we can come here to do some fishing. Those buildings that you're seeing right now are the IIT Hyderabad campus buildings. And the lake is just here. So the landmark for you guys is IIT Hyderabad. It's right opposite to the IIT Hyderabad campus. Perfect place for an evening coffee and a little walk. And now I'm feeling super refreshed. So I'll see you in another video. Until then, keep driving, keep exploring, have fun and take care. See you in another video.